In Nigeria as a country, and Africa as a continent, even in the world, when you hear the word Two-Face or the name Two-Face, the first image, if you're conversant with music industry, the first image or picture that will appear in your mind is a picture of this young man, because his celebrity name is Two-Face Idibia, whose real name is Innocent. And when looking at his face, you see the typical restriction of innocency in his face. So I want to use him to illustrate a point here. Now, look at this very man, 70 years old man, known as Asari dokubo. I want to tell you that this man is the real Two-Face in Nigeria. Let me explain. Before now, during Buhari's regime, when Buhari had this contract they offered to Tombolo to guide the pipeline, during that period, this man, Asari dokubo, came up with this idea, denouncing that he's not Igbo, even threatening to wipe out the entire Igbo generation, and so many things that he said about Igbos, which you hear him on this video. And after Buhari regime, before the coming of Tinubu, and when Tinubu must have won the election, he not stopped there. There are a lot of videos of him where he speaks against the Igbo race. And when he saw that Buhari did not favor him, and came to the time of Tinubu, he said a lot of things, and he was not also favored in Tinubu's regime. Now he has revised himself, telling us how he's of Igbo made, how his generation is of Igbo, and all said and done. So, when you are looking up Two-Face, look at Asari dokubo. Asari dokubo is a high saint, a betrayer. If you believe Asari dokubo with his words, you do so at your own detriment. If you believe Asari dokubo on his words, if Asari dokubo eventually tells you to stand here and wait for him, better move 3 miles away for your own safety. Now, I want you to listen to Asari dokubo, and I'll be back.
You are law-abiding. Igbos, I don't know them. I don't know where they come from. Because I know that if not for British intervention, I will still be selling them. The way my father sold them. Now look at you people in Igbo land. Look at how you are dying. Woto. You are talking. You will do video to sell that Elijah has run away. You don't see me? I don't run. Hey, leave me alone. You don't see me? I don't run. On my head, no correct. On our head, no correct. The be like son they look for who go finish on her. Look for now everywhere finish on her. And they see me. Abali today. Abali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abang. He's from Obom in Abang. From there, his family went to Bosi in Anambra State before they came to New Calabar. He's an Igbo man. I am Abali. So when somebody say Igbo, no, I am. Yes, the name I answered today, the stool on which I sit today, which was created as one of the first volcano houses to be created. In fact, among the first 5 to be created in Calabar land. Abali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied being an Igbo man. So I, his worthy descendant, will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. So also is bricks. So also is asphalt. Young bricks, asphalt. Ediabali. My father, Wananako. These are all Igbo men. Uzoma. Elebike.
Greetings to you once again. Let me shock you. The Ebubago militia group used by Hopo Zodimma is being championed by Asari dokubo. Asari dokubo is the head of the Ebubago that is being used by Hopo Zodimma and some other Southeast governors. Though it's like others have realized their mistake, but Hopo Zodimma is bent on using Ebubago, and the Ebubago militia group is Asari dokubo. The video of him is out there. I don't need you to ask me to provide a video. If you go on the internet, you will see his videos and hear his statements, how they have been a part of a militia group called Ebubago by Igbo. But here is the man trying to justify or try to tell us why we should trace our histories and tell our children the truth. Asari dokubo is one man that whenever things fall apart with him, he will tell you where he belongs. And when his belly is filled up, he will deny where he belongs. That is the man Asari dokubo for you. And that's why I'm saying that innocent Dibia, known as Two-Face, is not the Two-Face. Asari dokubo is a real Two-Face, whom you can never trust, who you can never believe in, who you can never hold him for his words. Such a person, fear him. Igbo, be wise. Whenever they want to play a new game, these men and the rest of them will be used just to distract the Igbo. And when Igbos fall in, they will teach them a blow. At the end of the day, they will keep on crying foul. I am not deceived by Asari dokubo and his game. Whether he is Igbo or not Igbo, the fact that Asari dokubo is a betrayer that can never be trusted.